Assalamu alaikum. My name is Isha Sohail Khan and I am 17 years old. I have recently graduated from college and I have been playing volleyball since the last almost 3 years now. And it has really helped me. And my parents come from Pakistan. We migrated, like my grandparents migrated from India to Pakistan when the partition happened. And now we live in Islamabad. First we settled in Karachi. Then we moved to Islamabad, and I have done my schooling and higher education, all of it from Islamabad, and I continue to pursue my university in Islamabad. I pursued volleyball in my high school after watching a lot of my classmates and a lot of my class fellows playing it in school. I got really inspired by the sport. I always had an interest in it, but I never really pursued it because even my siblings did not used to play a lot of sports, but something just like called me towards it, and I started. My friends pushed me a lot as well to at least just try, and our school used to hold trials after school, so I just stayed back one day and I started playing it, and I really really enjoyed it. So I decided to pursue it आगे, और उसके बाद से I've just been playing it and I have fallen in love with it. If I could, I would literally pursue it professionally. But even if that's not possible, living in Pakistan, I know, and then in volleyball, there's also a height constraint to some extent. So, but even if not, like professionally, I can't pursue it, but still, I would like to go as much ahead as I can in the sport. My parents did not, there wasn't like such a huge response as if कि मैं करूँ या ना करूँ. It was up to me. They've always said कि you can pursue whatever makes you happy, but उसके अंदर you have to excel in it. So that's what just kept me going. कि I knew this was something that I liked doing, and it did not affect my studies or anything at all. So they were pretty happy. When I joined an academy as well, so they also support me in that. I go to the academy to like perfect my skills and do better and learn every day. So they've been really supportive and helpful. This game has definitely taught me patience, a lot of patience and resilience. It's a team sport, obviously, so you always have to. You can't be a lone wolf in it. You have to take the whole team साथ में, और साथ में आपको leadership भी सीखने को मिलती है. When you have to take the whole team together, और हर प्लेयर के एक्शंस को दूसरे प्लेयर को मैच करना होता है. अगर एक प्लेयर किसी एक चीज़ में वीक है या एक प्लेयर का एक स्ट्रॉन्ग परसूट है, सो द अदर्स हैव टू मैच इट, और एक टीम कोऑर्डिनेशन आपको सीखने को मिलती है. एंड दैट नॉट ओनली हेल्प्स यू इन स्पोर्ट, बट इट रियली हेल्प्स यू इन लाइफ एज वेल. सो इट हैज़ रियली, मतलब मेरी बहुत ज़्यादा ग्रोथ हुई है ये स्पोर्ट खेल के. मैं इस स्पोर्ट में I really want to go as ahead as I can, but this is not something which I can only focus on. Like, I cannot only focus on sports. I have to do something as well. Like, I have to um, become something on my own as well. But I would like to go as far as ahead as I can in the sport, along with other things in my life. So, यहाँ पे which is why this opportunity is really really great for me. And like a lot of players, all the players in Pakistan, especially the like female players in Pakistan who do not get a lot of opportunity, especially in this sport, because volleyball is a growing sport abhi tak. It's not fully developed. अभी इसको explore किया जा रहा है, and that's really good now. It's really good to know कि like initiatives like Strawberry Sports Management have taken this initiative to support young female athletes and like help them in pursuing the sports they love. So that's a really good initiative.